This has been brought to you by Options Traders Academy using the Options Traders GPT. All right, so top options traders don't rely on just one strategy. They focus on probability, structure, and risk control first, then choose a strategy that matches the setup, all right, in case you didn't know. But if it had to simplify it, most commonly used daily strategies by top traders, all right, because I thought this was very important. All right, so the strategy is vertical spreads or debit plus credit spreads, okay? So cheap, why people use them, cheap, defined risk, scalable. Typical use is directional or income plays, okay? All right, and then next is selling premium credit spreads, condor, high win rate, theta, decay works in their favor, and range bound or neutral markets. Next is scalping, same day naked options, high reward, fast. It's fast, it moves fast, and it requires precision. That's where that scalping comes in. Momentum intraday traders and for advanced only. And then you have covered calls and then cash secured puts. Safer income, steady gains, investors, traders with capital, basically. And then you have directional swing, leg options, calls or puts, simple, fast profit, high delta, trending markets, and clean technicals. And last but not least, we have calendar spreads, IV strategy with edge ahead of known catalysts. All right, so those are some strategies and some reasons why someone would use them. And then these are the top 3 most common strategies among pros that you can copy yourself. So these show up daily in top traders' playbooks. You have your credit spreads for a bear call or bull put spreads. And why pros love this? Because of the high probability, defined risk reward, works with sideways or mild trends, which is cool. All right, so example, IWM trading at 246, for example. You sell a 248 call and buy a 250 call. Collect premium. When if IWM stays below 248 by expiration. And this is used by prop firms, hedge funds, and veteran retail traders. Another one is debit spreads, call or put spreads. And then why pros love it. Control risk, lower cost than naked options, great for directional setups. And an example is if IWM is bouncing at the 21 EMA, trend up, you buy a 245 call, sell 250 call, bullish debit spread. You pay $2, max gain equals $3 if IWM goes to 250. So used by swing traders, directional pros, and consistent grinders. And then you have the same day scalping, single leg calls or puts. Why pros love to use it? Because it is quick profits, great for momentum. It works on news, break of structure, or reversals. But it is a high risk, low room for error, and not beginner friendly. And this is how I taught myself. Like, I literally taught myself trading the scalping way. Like, now I'm more into leaps and swings and, long contracts. But boy, I can get in there and really just scalp some stuff seriously. Some examples is SPY breaks intraday high with volume. You buy at the money call, high delta, tight spread. Target 30 to 50% gain in 10 to 20 minutes. All right. And that's usually how I'm in and out. Used by full-time day traders and high skill scalpers. So what do they all have in common, which is really important? So define risk, no blow up trades. Edge-based entries, structure, volume, news, and levels. Small position sizes. They survive losing streaks, okay? They journal everything so they can repeat what works. And they treat trading like a business. Definitely treat trading like a business, not like gambling or guessing, okay? So, and it can keep going, but basically, I just wanted to give you this bit of information. And if you want the rest, definitely download Options Traders GPT. It is worth the investment because, again, it's not just about getting in the market, it's about understanding the game, understanding what you're getting into before you start leveraging your money or investing your money. Okay, so go ahead and download Options Traders GPT or log on optionstradersacademy.com and start our 3-day challenge for free so you can start learning how options trading works and how the stock market works and how it can work for you.